AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to enable variable refresh rate for games in Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to enable variable refresh rate for games on your Windows 11, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to click on Start menu, then search for Settings. Click on Settings. In right side you can see here Display, just click on it. Guys, after that you need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here Advanced Display. Just click on it. Guys, below you can see here choose a refresh rate. A higher rate gives smoother motion but also uses more power. Select the higher value for your games. Just click on Keep Changes and close the window. That's it guys. So in this way you can enable variable refresh rate for games on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.